State Ayush Directorate signs MOU with a Silchar-based Pratyaksha Agrotech Private Limited to promote state's medicinal and aromatic plants. Thangweiban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan demands assembly session to discuss on drafted ILP rules and regulations before its official gazette notification. And SDO Wangoi serves notice to stop illegal constructions on paddy lands, gives 7 days to submit relevant documents. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. State Ayush Directorate and Pratyaksha Agrotech Private Limited based in Silchar, Assam signed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU today to promote and identify the therapeutic value of medicinal and aromatic plants found in the state. Speaking to media at the Conference Hall of Health and Ayush Minister in Old Secretariat today, Health and Ayush Minister Langpolapam Jayantikumar asserted that with the new move, the state's medicinal plants will be recognized and research will be carried out at national and international platform. Director of Ayush Directorate Dr. Y. Lukhoi on behalf of State Medicinal Plants Board and Director of Pratyaksha Agrotech Private Limited Supratim Roy Chaudhary signed a 10-point Memorandum of Understanding. As per the MOU, Pratyaksha Agrotech Private Limited will carry out tissue culture and propagation of various medicinal and aromatic plants found in the state, as well as carry out a molecule-level research on these plants. Minister L. Jayantikumar believed that the state's economy can be enhanced to a great extent by making use of these medicinal plants. CEO of State Medicinal Plants Board, Dr. A. Guneshwar, and other top officials of the board took part in the event.
With a new vision and with a new hope, we must sign to say Hadana Queen Kanjaban Habitat. We Mamang the Sum, which sign to Nogre, Chase Ayar sign to Nogre, same line, Madu to break up to Nobogini and the Hibagi, Anobu Makilgi, Live Makil Farm, Agroproduct Sajiga, Kogamu sign to Nogadori, Koi Prajasina, sincerely Tabak to Birgadi. Amasumati loyalty yauna, Amasuma work dedication yauna, on the Tabak to Birgadi, Koyam Tuna Chokapatu. Chokaka Lakado may add mark that you chocolate and having Machagma. That's all means some way by habitat. Manipur says slowly in every field. In every field in habitat, in my case, in our case, for the health sector, yam chocolate ama or habitat.
Minister L. Jayantikumar also extended heartiest Christmas and New Year's greetings to the people of the state. He wished that the joyous Christmas and the upcoming auspicious New Year will herald in peace, love, harmony and prosperity in both hills and valley regions of the state. Thangweiban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan drew the attention of the state government today to call on assembly session to give a chance to the opposition parties to discuss on the draft rules and regulations of the inner line permit system before its official gazette notification in January next year. Speaking to media at his residence in Koyatong today, MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan said the people in the state are still apprehensive that Citizenship Amendment Act CAA might supersede the ILP regime. He also criticized that the state government kept ignoring the demand of various associations, including the JCILPS, to make 1951 as base year for the implementation of the ILP system. He said that there is huge confusion as to which outsider will be allowed entry or denied in the wake of conflicting statements about National Population Registrar update, which even qualifies a person to be registered if he or she has settled for more than 6 months, and the provision for any Indian citizens residing in rental homes to enlist themselves in the voter list, provided they have residential certificates issued by their landlords. He demanded to know which outsider will be granted ILP in the state.
ILP chatpa state amada state tugi mapanda laaga voter list sanba yabra haibase masi yamna mayak sengna ba Bharat Sarkarna apaba thabak ama torokpada koi harawi adubu apaba thabak torokpani haina ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯇꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯆꯦ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯔꯦꯟꯗꯝꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯄꯪꯄꯤꯗ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯔꯦꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯥꯝꯖꯗꯕ ꯌꯦꯜꯂꯣꯡ ꯃꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯨꯠꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯟꯈꯠꯂꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯉꯥꯛꯂꯧ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯗꯦ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯅ ꯈꯟꯅꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯤꯃꯣꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯥꯎ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯐꯪꯂꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯣꯖꯤꯁꯟꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯋꯥ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯎꯠꯄꯅ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯆꯨꯝꯒꯅꯤ
MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan warned that the state government's proposed rally under the centre's instruction on December 29, hailing the Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA), will be an open invitation for turmoil in the state. He condemned the government's agenda to campaign in support of CAA after extension of inner line permit system in the state. MLA Joy Kishan stated that many people in the state, including Manpag, are still against the controversial act and that the rally will infuriate the public even more. He urged the government not to organize any rally supporting the act, but to organize a rally on the theme of curbing financial crisis facing the state if it has to organize one at all.
Manipur dasu effect tawroi ju hairaba impact leroi ju hairaga mu support tawni na khongchat chatoi sina takpadi se Manipur da impact laktori brasini aina hangjeningisi yaragadi laingak sina leiriba khongche tolaga praja se tangdu leitana lehenmana phagani irang pamisi Manipur prajara government laibase nenaningai oire ingna leiriba singdu da provoke tawlaga show string satna banadi kana roi Numitureda Tolakadori Singdu, Minister MLA Kibadagi Miam, the Hoya Tolakadori Madasu Angak Pamani, Karamba Grounda, Karimta Suchanaro and the Sarkana Hajan and Haidaba. She is an arrow the Lundrum Zakari Chaburki really Chatori Gaba. Money.
All Manipur Muslims Organizations Coordinating Committee (AMOCOC) has also strongly condemned the December 29 rally organized by the state government in support of the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. The committee appeals to the public not to take part in the rally. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, AMOCOC spokesperson Abdul Razak said there is very low chance of preventing migrants from entering the state even with the implementation of inner line permit system.
CAA sina Manipur ki praja khudingmakta solakadoriba se panthokna chawraba saifu ma pirakadoribani ILP haiba asidadi chumnagi inner line permit haibadu permit to pira mi thajal laga halan khidanabagi pot adudi tauge haibata tauduna leiriba BJP ki kendra ki sarkar asina permit pira ga thajal laga Manipur sida mian cha se masi si adum makhata na masing hena leihallakbagi khudong chaba se oikhigadra haibagi akiba aduna khoi relay se masibu aikhoi condemn taujabani.
Wangoi SDO Yumnam Nelson has issued notice to stop ongoing constructions on agricultural lands from Hyangthang till Wangoi this morning. The SDO notified those concerned to submit relevant documents within 7 days, failing which he warned of taking legal actions against them. Speaking to media, Yumnam Nelson said that the construction of new buildings or any structures on paddy lands is banned under the Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land and Wetland Act 2014. He urged those who have constructed residential buildings on agricultural lands after 2014 to pay necessary taxes under the Act. He also appeals to the public to consult the relevant authorities before constructing any structures on the cultivable lands.
West DC instruction maka itareko ahoigi Manipur Conservation of Paddy Land Wetland Act 2014 sigi lakpadagi violate tawba itareko agricultural land das hasanba structure myam se sei notice serve taroga seize tawba amasung confiscate tawba aruna sidi notice tharani ko moi reason piro moi ainamta moi se moi violate tawba si moi stop tawdo no na thaba de stop tahonba aduga sigi sariba kano se construction se khoi mayam gi khoi public ki awareness oina bak tamta aware oina ba khoi gi itareko gi hana ayaba permission lobiraga khoi gi anba tawbiraga aduga onbiu haijani akhoi lausi mangdana ba haitare khoi culture len si sum akhoi gi mangsale aduna si mangdana ba public na su si hana conversion si hana niom chumna tobiraga haidi due process tawraga tawina ba aina appeal tawjagi.
Manipur People's Party MPP held its 52nd Foundation Day celebration at the party office near Imphal Polo Ground today. Party advisors L. Krishnan Das, P. Achaubi, M. Amutombi, President O. Jugindro, Vice Presidents Dr. S. Ibomcha and S. Brojan attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, MPP President Oinam Jugindro said the MPP, which is a regional political party of the state, has been taking up various welfare activities. He assured that the party will continue to play active role in solving various issues facing the state to bring welfare.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯚꯥꯔꯠꯀꯤ ꯁꯤꯇꯤꯖꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯪꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯔꯥꯏꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯐꯪꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯏꯅꯈꯤꯕ ꯆꯤꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯪꯅꯅꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯕꯥꯎꯟꯗꯔꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯒꯤ आर्टिकल नंबर 2 की क्लोज नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4 दा ईबा मणिपुर के टेरिटोरियल इंटीग्रिटी नितिसने ngakna thangani haiba siba mayam asi akhoi ngakna thamnagi damakta madui damakta asi sahi yankhaini thoi suba asi pangthoi asina mifam morega makha tana akhoi manipur da leiba akhoi praja primana manipur party mun sibu lona na akhoi ngasi akhoi na pangthoi bel smai to na sahi thing pangthopa ngambo jege.
Furious mob stormed Lumphel police station today, demanding to hand over the culprits involved in the killing of a newly married young man. Impact News sources said Soibam Romeo, son of Soibam Shyam from Arapti, Awang Lekai in Imphal East District, under Irilbung police station was brutally beaten by some miscreants after he went out for a Christmas gathering last night. He succumbed to his injuries at Rims Hospital. The commotion at the police station occurred when the police arrested and brought some miscreants allegedly involved in Romeo's thrashing. Children of the arrested laborers of Food Corporation of India (FCI) surrendered their textbooks to Education as in Lumphel today, demanding unconditional release of their parents. It may be mentioned that the FCI laborers were arrested by the police during their recent protests against exploitation of FCI laborers. Since the Director of Education S was absent, the agitating students gave their textbooks to additional Director of Education S, Mangte Lartekom. They strongly condemned the authority concerned for bringing plights to the daily wage earners.
अगोई लाइक तमजरो अखोई इसाना सरेंडर तौजरगे हाइना अखोई लाइक थंबा चंगजबने अखोई दि नोमगी जरा तालगा सुरगा साजब अखोइने बाबा याउदना अखोई कमाइना लेगनि ममाजो अंगाउ बिगो बागा ओइने अखोई दि बाबा थादौदि बागो दि चरा हमगी कोंगन चंगजगने बाबा की मतुंग लंगा अखोई दि जेदा लरजु लइगने मोइ अखोइ अंगांगबुसि मोइना करिमदा थाजबिदे अखोइ दि अंगांगने हाइदुना मोइना ngame हाबे मतागो मोइना तवे अदुना अखोइ ngasi दगे थबक सुरगे हाइना अखोइ दि लाइक लेखाउ थमजब लाजबने खोइदि खोइ बाबा होय थादोपियो अदु ओइदा थादोप तारगजु यानबगी से थबक सुहनगे हाइबगी से पार्टी गदि अखोइदि थादोराजु अखोइ कइमता अर्टिका फंगदेबा अदुगे अखोइ खोइ बावै थोलोटिगा अखोइ चाजु हेगनि अखोइ थबक सुरगा ममा बाबागी मतेंग पांगनेबा अखोइ.
JSC against the shifting of Loshangkong Bridge has warned against shifting of the bridge and demanded the government to construct an RCC bridge at Loshangkong in Lamlai constituency at the earliest. Speaking to media at an undisclosed area in Imphal today, JSC co-convener Khoshnam Sanjoy said that foundation stone of the RCC bridge was laid at Loshangkong by Manipur State Rural Road Development Agency following a work order issued by the Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India on May 6 this year. He said that the foundation laying ceremony was even attended by Executive Engineer of Imphal East MSRRDA. Sanjoy expressed disappointment that the construction of the bridge, which was supposed to be completed by 2020, has not even started yet. He said that the relevant ministry has been apprised about the matter and that the MSRRDA chief engineer had even assured to start the construction of the bridge. Sanjoy condemned that despite all the assurances, site of the RCC bridge was shifted at Sekta in Lamlai constituency, and even the local MLA has already laid foundation stone for the bridge.
JSC against the shifting of Loksang Khong Bridge na thong asima atopa mafam da hongani haibagi pauju khangnar padagi haiba mipai basi laibang loinana department na Manipur State Rural Development Agency na haiba thong asi athuba matamda Loksang Khong khungang da magi sabam thokpa work order thokiba mafam asida sabina bagi tamakta JSC gi maikai dagi nolukna thamjari haiba thong asi sadragadi Kungang amadi kungol mayona badalay riba sing apunbo oina makal makaki agi station torakani haiduna JSC maikidigi pungdukchiri.
All Manipur Madrasa Modernization Teachers Welfare Union has refuted the allegations charged by Muslim Students Union Manipur, who accused the union of bribing to get regularization of Waqf board teachers. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Secretary of the union MD Aslam Khan said that the union has been striving for regularization of the teachers under Waqf board since 2011. He said the state government resolved to regularize 114 teachers under the board in 2014, but it came into action only under the present government. MD Aslam Khan said none of the 114 teachers bribed anyone to get them regularized. He appeals to those concerned not to spread misleading information to malign the union, failing which he warned of legal actions against them.
Matungda Shumba Ojasing image of Yaba of Hamsing, Media the Ponto Pirakanu Karigamba, Mashi Matungda, Ponto Pirak Potaba, Lana Prachato Potaravadi, Ojagi Uniona, Domina Kakleroy, I enjoy Mating Lorakanda, I quite Tenavia, Kari Lake, have the quite Torakanda, I quite I knew Ting Loraka Tenagani, Aduna. Any organization namana, Pamama Ponto Pumatamda, Madugi, Ponto Evo Pamdu Kadai Pusumium Sung Lali Havadu, Nitin and Nainaga Ponto Pirapashi, Ponto Pira Pagani, Natagadi, Ponto Pitanaba, a Oja Amoina, high organizations Punota, by Apilam Sutaujening.
Imphal East District held World AIDS Day observance today. District AIDS Prevention and Control Unit, in collaboration with VIHAN, National Coalition of People Living with HIV in India, NCPI+, and AHANA project under the supervision of Imphal East Deputy Commissioner, organized the event at VIHAN office in New Chekon. Imphal East DC Dr. Rangita Bali Waikom presented food items and other essentials as winter gifts to women and children living with HIV/AIDS at the event. Speaking on the occasion, Imphal East District AIDS Control Officer Dr. Romila said that the observance was held for Imphal East District as part of the World AIDS Day, which falls on December 1st, to provide necessary assistance to people living with HIV/AIDS. She assured that Imphal East District AIDS Control Office, in association with the district administration, will further provide such assistance.
Miron bi mama sing amadi akoigi chajin bi mama sing khallaganda koina moigi ningtham thagi sisinana ba akoigi blanket amamamga akoigi angang singi thaknana ba sangom kharaga toraga koina yenthoksaraganda yamna chamna akoigi cha mamam thakminaraganda akoi sinjaba program ni World AIDS Day mamangai dadi akoi fajana stage semdana akoigi banner thetana degi rally chatana mayam ama tawjabane ado handak kisidi yamna tongan ba akoigi Deputy Commissioner Imphal East akoigi Dr. Rangita Bali Waikom Mingona Panjaravada Mahaki Directive Makhada Akoina Siki differently Akoi Pangthok Saban.
Kangambog MLA Okram Surjakumar inaugurated a newly constructed office and a community hall of educational gym club EGC at Wangbul Part 2 in Kangambog constituency, Thawal district today. Speaking at the event, MLA Okram Surjakumar said that many playgrounds of the constituency have been renovated as part of developmental activities undertaken for the constituency. He also assured to ensure adequate water supply in the constituency at the earliest. Many people of the area took part in the event. MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan today released a music video album dedicated to the girl student of Standard Robert Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, who died in a mysterious manner. The album, named Hada Ita, was released at Rupmahal Theatre near BT Road today. Speaking at the event, MLA KH Joy Kishan alleged that the government did not care to uncover the truth behind her mysterious death. He said that the student's death would have been declared as a suicide case if people did not agitate against her mysterious death. Kumukcham Joy Kishan criticized the government for being unable to tolerate people's protests and for jailing those who advocate the truth.
Any form of protest is Constitution Citizens Amendment Act in Mayota, Ban Punkara Tamo Sutin Kumar, where is democracy? Isn't it a dictatorial system? Shinya Polysiam Luisi. Prazana protest over Chatra Satri, Karana, Mahoy Pen of Hondopa. Elite group Kurana Mahoy no Maito, Hondo Putati, 144 Tama, but in partnership love with them in order topa. Aduga, Citizens Amendment X Manipur, Talabon, Toktre, ILP Chalam, Law Sarkar, Adu, Tarikuma, but the Citizens Amendment support in a religion can in a Bible. Very using the Huiganda.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we'll bring you news on the upcoming 9th state-level Manipuri Film Awards, Manifa 2020. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. 9th state-level Manipuri Film Awards Manifa 2020 will be held on March 22nd, 2020. The award function, which was previously held as SSS Manifa, will be held under the name Manifa 2020 at the auditorium of Kakching Dramatic Union. 27 awards will be given out, including a new award, which is Best Audiography Award. Speaking to media at the Office of Film Forum Manipur, Chairman of the forum S. Mangal Daud said that last date for film entry is January 20. Films released between January 1st till December 31st, 2019, holding CBFC certification and also certified by Film Forum Manipur can only apply for the awards. A film entry fee will be 5,000 rupees for Manipuri films and 3,000 rupees for films of other dialects. Mangal Jao added that the nominees for the awards will be announced on February 16, 2020.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯟꯗꯛ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯒꯅꯤ ꯐꯤꯂꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯦꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯕꯤꯖꯨꯋꯦꯜ ꯀꯦꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯐꯣꯔ ꯑꯦꯛꯖꯥꯝꯄꯜ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯑꯦꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯅꯆꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯃꯁꯥꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯁꯦꯟ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯥꯔꯇꯤꯁꯇꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯌꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯄꯦꯅꯥꯜꯇꯤꯗꯨ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯗ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯔ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯊꯥꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯨꯒꯅꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯁꯥꯅ ꯌꯥꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯑꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯑꯦꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯕꯦꯁ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯔꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩ ꯌꯥꯖꯔꯦꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯑꯦꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯅꯣꯃꯤꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯆꯪꯉꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯠ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯗꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯦꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯐꯣꯔꯝꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯌꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯂꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯗꯤꯁꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯤꯅꯔꯤ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯂꯧꯒꯅꯤ.
Mayanglambam Daina from Manipur was conferred a Seva Purushkar Awards by Advocates Association for Social Responsibility and Awareness, ASHRA, a Hyderabad-based non-governmental organization formed by all India groups of advocates today. The award was presented in an event held in connection with National Consumers Day 2019 at Constituency Club of India, Rafi Mark in New Delhi. The award was conferred upon 30 individuals who worked at various parts of the country in honor of the martyrs of Pulwama terror of February 14, 2019 on the theme, I Stand for the Nation. BJP in charge Satish Upadhyay, Madhya Pradesh MP Dr. Anil Agrawal and President of ASHRA Uttar Pradesh Unit Sachin Bhatti jointly presented the awards. Shija Eye Care Foundation Health Village Langol organized a free eye screening camp today. 87 individuals were checked up during the camp. 7-member team of All India Lawyers Union Manipur State Committee have reached Kochi in Kerala for taking part in the 13th National Conference of All India Lawyers Union. The state delegates will table various issues facing the state during the conference, which will continue till December 27. Chairperson of Wangoy Municipal Council, L. Iboton, has refuted the allegations made by some beneficiaries of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Urban Housing for All scheme, who allege that the council has denied them funds under the scheme. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, L. Iboton said that 167 beneficiaries were selected under the scheme from areas covered by the council. He said funds have been already granted to those who could produce necessary documents. Iboton claimed that some beneficiaries did not get the funds due to lack of relevant documents and also due to misappropriation of funds by the former council chairperson Babita.
Mi samaga kuntra ai housing forum gi besa kape siri ba bitana paringa da sahi ma pai ba kanda lupa ma kapam de aina thani hum pai ba kanda mi sama kuntha gi besa kape sida another muina paisa kapi dre haidana press club ta simisa salag wakala du tawgunu simisi gi wa nate sidi press club gi wante leminer bi koli akhoi tarin pan mapan gi poni potsida akhoi khana raga kap ka dupa paisa ni si porse akhoi masen jana kap ka da paisa sida noina press club sala press li thokpa simisa
Members of Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol CADA seized foreign liquors worth around 2 lakh rupees from a variety store named Da Bung at Kwakaitel Lemakujam Laikai today. It may be mentioned that CADA had seized a large quantity of foreign liquors from the same store earlier. Communist Party of India (CPI) in a press release strongly condemns the alleged attack by members of RSS BJP at a CPI state office in Bengaluru. CPI also condemned the arrest of party leaders during anti-CAA protests in Manipur, Uttar Pradesh and other states. Now the sports news. YWC Langtabal and ICSA Irengbam resulted in a goalless draw in their 23rd league match of the Under-17 Khelo India Women's League at Imphal Polo Ground this morning. While in the 24th league match, AMMA Andhra defeated WFA Kakching by 1-0. The lone goal for the winning team was scored by KH Bilashini at the 60th minute of the match. 8 women teams from various parts of Manipur are participating in the Under-17 Khelo India Women's League, jointly organized by Yas Department Manipur and All Manipur Football Association. PLL Chorachandpur will lock horns with ICSA Ringbam in the 25th league match, and Kripsa Narimthong will play against Isu Palace Compound in the 26th league match on December 28. The 37th State Arm Wrestling Championship will be held on December 28 and 29. Manipur Arm Wrestling Association will organize the championship at the Community Hall of Hairangoithong Makha Maibam Laikai. Speaking to media at AMSA Conference Hall in Imphal Polo Ground today, President of the association, established in 1981, Dr. L. Sarad, condemned that another association with the same name has emerged and it is causing confusion to arm wrestlers of Manipur. He urged the authorities concerned to take actions against the novice association. Executive member of Manipur Arm Wrestling Association, K. Sarat Chandra, also took part in the press meet.
Manipur Arm Wrestling Association hai ba tungan ba ama thol aga tournament tawni maji championship tawni and hai dana hai ba I want to doubt them level. Kari no I can that right. Sir, nang tadi pau I like covered me am di yengo kai dobu yage the madu. Untung yang biro kanano kai madu I kang de. Me do I de kana maming kari kawi tumbo kobo chawu kobo na dugi cover is happy happy upon the pande. Aduna high kang using do madu upon do I could pum talk to oga. Nakalam the akui state tournament say him get a home to championship to madu. Kuntra Suba State Arm Wrestling Championship to organize. How you ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯦ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯗꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯅ ꯍꯪꯉꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯇꯥꯡ 19 18 ꯇꯧꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯊꯕꯛꯁꯦ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯇ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ.
District Football Association Moirang kicked off its third division under 15 Football League 2019-20 at the ground of Moirang Multipurpose Higher Secondary School today. Two groups comprising of 6 teams each are participating in the Football League. Today's first match between YSUC Phubala and SYDOP Pogak Chau Ikai ended in a goalless draw, while in another match Nasa Ngangkha Lekai beat Ideal Club Sunusify by 2-1. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. State Ayush Directorate signs MOU with Silchar-based Pratyaksha Agrotech Private Limited to promote state's medicinal and aromatic plants. Thangmaiban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan demands Assembly session to discuss on draft ILP rules and regulations before its official Gazette notification. And SDO Wangoy serves notice to stop illegal constructions on paddy lands, gives 7 days to submit relevant documents.